He's still the prince. Will Smith raps the legendary Fresh Prince of Bel-Air theme song with a new generation in honor of the premiere of the Bel-Air dramatic reboot. The next generation of Bel-Air has arrived. Will Smith is celebrating the premiere of Peacock's Bel-Air, the dramatic reboot of his beloved Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, in a new Super Bowl commercial. Will raps the Fresh Prince theme song with fans from around the world to create one epic remix. Will starts out singing the theme song with a female fan. Other fans put their own unique twist on the legendary theme song, but Will brings it back home with his delivery of "I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel-Air." The piece was directed by Vincent Paone and produced by Art Class. The Oscar nominee is one of the executive producers of Bel-Air, which makes its debut on Peacock on February 13th. The dramatic reboot is bringing us the Fresh Prince story with a fresh perspective. The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air touched an entire generation when it premiered in the 1990s. Now Bel-Air is going to do the same for Gen Z. Related gallery. Super Bowl 56 commercials, highlights from all the ads. Bel-Air is set in modern-day America and is a dramatic take on Will's complicated journey from the streets of West Philadelphia to the gated mansions of Bel-Air. As these two worlds collide, Will reckons with the power of second chances while navigating the conflicts, emotions, and biases of a world far different from the only one he's ever known. The series was not only inspired by the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Morgan Cooper's 2019 viral trailer that reimagined the hit 90s sitcom also served as inspiration. Newcomer Jabari Banks plays Will in Bel-Air, alongside an incredible ensemble cast that includes Adrian Holmes, Cassandra Freeman, Ali Charlton, Coco Jones, Akira Akbar, Jimmy Akingbola, Jordan L. Jones, and Simone Joy Jones. Bel-Air will premiere on Peacock on Super Bowl Sunday with the first 3 episodes at launch and new episodes released weekly.